In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to your Temu Australia account. To get started, open the official Temu Australia web dashboard in your browser and log into your profile. Make sure you're using the official website so your account and payment details stay secure. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to load fully so all account options appear correctly. After you're logged in, look for your main account settings icon. This is usually located in the top area of the dashboard where you can access your profile and account preferences. Click on that icon to open the settings menu, then find and select the option labeled payment methods. This section is where you can view, manage, and update the ways you pay for purchases on the platform. When the payment methods page opens, look for the text link that says Add a new card. Click that link to begin entering a new payment option. This is the step where you connect the payment method you want to use for future orders, so it's a good idea to have your card or payment account details ready before you start. Next, type in your payment information carefully. You can enter your credit card details or debit card information exactly as requested on the screen. If the platform also offers local payment options, you may be able to link services such as PayPal or Afterpay instead. As you enter your information, double-check everything for accuracy, including the card number, expiry date, and any other required billing details. Even a small typo can prevent the payment method from being added successfully. If you're linking a third-party option like PayPal or Afterpay, you may be redirected briefly to sign in and authorize the connection. Just follow the prompts shown on screen and return to the Temu dashboard once the process is complete. Always make sure you're on a secure connection before entering payment details, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Once your information has been entered, review it one final time to make sure it's correct. Adding a valid payment method now can help make checkout faster and smoother later when you're ready to place an order. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a payment method to your Temu Australia account through the official web dashboard.